Hello, hello, hello. Don't mind my thumb. How is everyone doing today, Facebook world? Everyone surviving the glitches that are happening in the Facebook groups today? Oh, it's okay. I started working on my blog, so it didn't bother me much. But we are making peanut butter cookies today, which are low carb, keto friendly. Okay, the link above is actually for whoopie pies. Okay, tongue twister for me. And what they are is two peanut butter cookies, smushed between, like, with icing in between, which is really, really cool, really, really yummy. So I'm using the cookie recipe for it right now to make peanut butter cookies, which is why I put that recipe above. But you can get the whole icing recipe, everything, with that link above, which is really cool. Okay? So when you're hopping on this live, you can drop me a 1. If you're watching the replay, you can drop me a 2. And if you're new to my crazy little show that I do daily, okay, you can put new in the comments. You gonna step up? So I have a little helper with me today. She's really excited. She loves helping me make cookies, which I put it out of the bowl, we mix it together, and then she smushes them down on the tray. So she's my little helper, aren't ya? Yeah. Hey, Stephanie, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Brandy, how's your day going? Okay, and these cookies are really simple to make. There's just 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients, and they're good to go, which is really easy, okay? So I have a cup of peanut butter. This is organic, unsweetened peanut butter, okay? So there's no sugar in it, okay? Which is what you want for low carb keto. All right? Yeah, you're gonna smush the cookies. She wants to eat all the peanut butter. That is what she's asking right now. Okay, so we're gonna add this into the bowl here. All right. But you can find the organic unsweetened peanut butter. I found this at Loblaws, which is the store we have here in Canada, Ontario, Canada, in the organic section. But I'm pretty sure you could probably find it any health food store. Well, girl, I got the low carb peanut butter right now. Okay, this is the recipe. Okay, you can find some online that are like the 3 recipe cookies and all that stuff, but this recipe here, I find they do not crumble as much as that 3 ingredient recipe one. Okay, so that's why I use this one, and plus I believe it tastes better. It's probably the vanilla extract that's in this one. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? All right, so there's the peanut butter all in my bowl, and then we're gonna add the swerve. Okay, so this is swerve. This is a sugar replacement that I use, and we're just gonna pour it in here. There's half a cup, and remember the whole written recipe is above. Okay, plus the icing for it is above too, which is amazing. Okay, amazing. I'm just gonna get this kind of mixed in with the peanut butter here. And this is non-chunky peanut butter. I don't think that actually matters in the recipe. We just don't like chunks. We're not chunky people. No, we don't like the peanut chunks in our peanut butter. So we buy the smooth stuff. I don't know if that really matters. I don't think so. I don't think it really matters. I don't think so. And you have 1 egg. 1 egg. We're gonna add that to it. 1 egg? 1 egg? No, So, funny story with eggs, okay? My very first ever video of cooking on here on Facebook, I cracked the egg, and the egg went right beside my bowl. Not in the bowl, right beside the bowl. And it didn't happen once. It happened twice in a row. It took 3 eggs to get an egg in the bowl. It was hilarious. Like just to say the least. Okay. So those of you who are scared to go in front of the camera and do this sort of thing, don't be, because will make fool of ourselves, okay? I literally just, it dropped. It was hilarious. Everyone laughed, and I was just like, oh, good Lord. But yeah, everyone was laughing. We made it fun. We made it good. We made it fun. Okay. Yeah, honey? Hi. Hi. Yep. Okay, so we're going to add the vanilla extract now. Oh, you do not get to touch the vanilla extract. You want to see that little cute little top you got on? Oh, the top of the lid. That's kind of disgusting. I'm going to throw that in the garbage. Okay, so this is vanilla extract. We got 1 teaspoon of this here. We're going to pour it in and get some good flavors up in here. Okay. I'm just going to put that there. And then I'm going to add something I didn't grab. I'm still here. I promise. Okay, now we're going to add pink Himalayan salt. Okay, I add pink Himalayan salt to literally everything I make, bake, cook, anything. Just because, well, we're keto here, okay? So when you're keto, your water and your electrolytes in your body get sucked out, okay? When you're in ketosis. So I always add the pink Himalayan salt and the water, and I drink lots of water, okay? And that's just basically, to keep my electrolytes up because I don't want to get headaches or dizziness at all throughout the day. A lot of people get that, or they feel sluggish or tired. Hey, Marissa, how's it going? What a kitty. I know, she's a kitty. She's just like very patiently waiting so she can smush these cookies down. Okay, so this is the dough. That's it. We're done here, guys. That's all you need to do is that. Okay, and then you just make little balls like this big on the tray, okay, like that big. All right, you smush it down with a fork. I have her fork here. And hey Bridget, how's it going? And what you do is you put it in the oven for 350 for about 20 minutes, okay, just until it's nice and brown. And then you take it out and you got cookies, okay. And above is the whoopie pies, okay. So you can get like the 2 peanut butter cookies, icing in the middle, smush it together. That's the rest of the link above, okay? Oh, thank you, Bridget. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. So we're going to cook these. I'll take a picture of them afterwards so you know what to look for when you take them out of the oven, okay? And, yeah, they're just this. That's all they look like with a little crispiness to it, okay? They're really simple to make. But, yeah. Yeah, they're cookies. If you want, yeah, okay, you can have that. Sorry! Okay, if you want other cookie recipes, I actually have a whole bunch, on the blog up there. Hey, Roberta, how's it going? On the blog, which is my blog, which is the link above, okay? And we got like chocolate chip cookies there. We got peanut butter cookies. I actually have a lot of desserts on there. I have a whole tab of just desserts because I'm a sweet tooth person, so you can go ahead and check those all out. There's tons up there. I actually have, like, I'm a big chocolate chip cookie girl, like, huge, okay? That is, like, my weakness, and when I was pregnant with this one, that's all I ate, literally, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For Adeline, it was chocolate cake. But, so I literally have, like, 4 of those recipes, chocolate chip cookie recipes of, like, chocolate chip cookie in a mug, chocolate chip cookies. I got chocolate chip cookie dough, fat bomb recipes. Oh yeah. Okay. Hey girl, how's it going? Thanks for popping on. So if you want those, just go ahead and click above. But we're gonna go so she can get these cookies smushed because she's like really excited. Look at this. She's got her fork ready and everything, guys. I will take a picture of them so you guys can see what they look like at the end. She might pull my leg, and I might put some Dark Lily's chocolate chips in them for her, because that's how she loves these cookies. Okay, is by putting Dark Lily's chocolate chips in them. You can also make your own chocolate glaze on them too, okay? If you like Reese's, okay? And it's just basically coconut oil with some cocoa powder, and you mix it together on a saucepan and you drip it over the cookie after it's been in the oven. I know all the tricks, guys, okay? All right. But I am going to thank you all for all the shares. Thank you, Stephanie, for sharing. Oh my gosh, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much. But we're gonna go put these in the oven. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll be back tomorrow for more keto goodness. Okay. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye.